You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk control arms used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to make changes to the control arms on your vehicle, you must lift the front of the car and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. Raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. Start by brushing the 3 ball joint retaining screws on the control arm, then spray them with degreaser. Using a ratchet and a 16-gauge socket, unscrew the 3 retaining nuts. Then pry the assembly part with a crowbar. Using a socket wrench and an 18mm socket, unscrew the front holding screw on the control arm and remove it. Then, using a ratchet and an 18mm socket, unscrew the outer rear retaining screw on the control arm. Then, unscrew the 2 inner rear retaining screws with a 16mm socket. Then, remove them. You can now remove the control arm.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new control arm. Put the control arm in its place. You can use a small mallet to do this. Once in place, start by replacing the 3 rear retaining screws on the control arm. Then, screw the front retaining screw back in. Put the control arm into the 3 screws on the ball joint, then screw the nuts back on. Finalize the tightening of the screws with a torque wrench. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. During this operation, you will work on the steering system of your vehicle. Checks on tyre alignment, when carried out by a professional, will guarantee that your steering system has been perfectly aligned and is in good working order. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.